Hello and welcome everybody to the October 2023 edition of the monthly market update. I'm Dave Danforth with 3D Property Solutions. What happened in the market in September? Let's get into it. So for Oakland County median sales price, are prices still going up? That's the question. And the answer is in Oakland County, yes. So we went from $345 to $350 for single family residents. This is an increase of 4.2% since the year before. In terms of condos, we jumped up about $4,000 from $255 to $259. That is an increase of 4.4%. In Wayne County, no big change from the previous month. We're still at 173, but as we can see, we've lost some median sales price when it comes to those single family residents. Okay, that is a total of negative 3.8% since the year before. So that's single family residents. In terms of condos, it's a very different story. Okay, so we went from 218 to 220. And that is an increase of 4.8%. This is why we separate condos and single families, because they tell a very different story, okay? In Macomb County, for single family residents, after pretty much leveling off for most of the year, we do have an increase of about 3,250 bucks. This is an increase of 3.4% since the year before. In terms of condos, jumped up about 2,500 bucks from the year before. I'm sorry, the month before, which is a 10.5% increase from the year before. So are prices going up? Yes, for the most part, yes. Months of supply in Oakland County, we're at 1.6 months of inventory. Wayne County, we're at 2.6, and then Macomb, we are at 1.5. Keep in mind that seller's market is generally anything below 6 months of inventory. Neutral markets are 6 to 7%, and a buyer's market is anything above 7 months of inventory. Days on market, shows per listing. How long is it taking to sell a house on the market? And the answer is generally about 30 days, okay? Oakland County, we're at about 27. Wayne, we're at about 32. And Macomb County, we're at about 29. This is generally taking 13 to 15 showings in order to find that end buyer, okay? New listings, as we see, we are steadily decreasing with our listings, okay? So September, we're at under 20,000 for Oakland County, which last year we were just at about 25,000. For Wayne County, we're under 28,000. Last year we were above 30, closer to 31. And in Macomb County, we are under 13. Last year we had about 4,000 more. Okay, so not much out there right now. Interest rates at the time of this video, it's about 7.49%. What does that actually look like though? So for mortgage rates, last year this time is about 6.6% interest. So in terms of monthly payment, that's close to $150 a month. And through the life of the loan, you're going to pay about $53,000 more with the current interest rates than you would a year ago. So if you're looking for a house, don't wait. You know, in a year you could have built some equity, and you could already start owning more of that house. So yeah, don't wait. So what? What does all of this stuff mean? So buyers, do not wait for mortgage rates to come down. If you wait for mortgage rates to come down, you're probably going to be waiting a very long time, okay? Especially if you're wanting to see those 2%, 3% mortgage rates that we saw during COVID. You might be waiting the rest of your life, okay? It's pretty hard to find what you're looking for these days because there's so little inventory. One suggestion that I have for buyers, first-time home buyers or people trying to, just move in general these days is look for something that's been on the market for a while and or something that needs a little bit more repairs, okay? You might be able to negotiate that. There might be a lot less competition. And don't worry about the interest rates. As long as your monthly payment can fit within your budget, we have a saying called date the rate, marry the home. That means, find your forever home right now. And when you can refinance, just do it, okay? Sellers, you must be willing to negotiate And don't be offended if buyers ask for the world. Okay, one negotiation tactic that a lot of real estate agents like to do is ask for 1,000 different things, and then maybe the sellers will settle on one or two. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying that that's what people do. What buyers are looking for right now, sellers, is fully renovated, move-in ready properties. Okay, so unless you have something like that, it might be a little bit more difficult to sell right now. Okay. One thing that we're starting to see when it comes to selling homes is appraisals starting to come in low, okay? So what does that mean? That means when we're deciding what type or what to list your house for, we have to have justifications in the form of comparables, okay? Because if you just list it for whatever, gone are the days that someone's just gonna come say, yep, good to go. We're seeing appraisers come in and say, no, this can't sell for this because we don't have any comparables at that price. So investors, cash flow is becoming very hard to come by right now, okay? And if you're refinancing out of a property or something like that, you might need to leave a little cash in the deal in order to make your monthly numbers work, okay? Investors, keep this in mind. We do not time the market, okay? What builds wealth is time in the market. So if you're looking to buy, give me a call. We'll talk for a little bit, see what you're looking for, and then we'll get our acquisitions team out there looking for what you're looking for. Okay. Another suggestion that I highly recommend for people just trying to get into real estate investing is look into house hacking. What that means is buying a house and living in it, possibly doing some repairs, renting out the rooms, and then after a year moving out and renting the entire place out. It's one of the best strategies you can do right now. It's not really a get rich quick, but trust me, it works. I've done it multiple times. All right, thanks for watching. That is the October version. We will be back next month and we'll see what's changed in the market. Thanks for watching.